Fourth graders, are you ready for week 7 of spelling? This week we're going to talk about mostly the long E sound and the different ways to spell it. So we've got E consonant E, E-E, E-A, and E at the end of a polysyllabic word. Remember, polysyllabic just means many syllables, so don't freak out about that long word. Okay, we have, the first one is E consonant E, and if you can see here, the E, this line right here, let me just draw a little arrow to it, means that there's going to be a letter there. So a T or an M or S. The next one is double E, and then we have EA, and we have the Y at the end of a polysyllabic word. All of these have the mnemonic, the memory trick of tree, because we can clearly hear the long E sound, which is spelled with a double E for tree. So even this last one, that's a Y, we still use that as our memory tool because Y at the end of a long word says long E, like in the word happy. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So here we have E space consonant E. So we have complete, E-T-E, theme, E-M-E, these, E-S-E, Eve, yesterday Eve, we went for a walk, E-V-E, compete, E-T-E, and delete, E-T-E. Severe, E-R-E. Now I want to point out a couple of things in these last three, actually including the first one. When we have a long E, a long vowel sound in one of our syllables, we often have our vowel in the other syllable has become a schwa. So complete. This O has become a schwa sound. Delete, you can hear that duh. And so we don't say delete. Some people say delete, but most people don't. Most people say that as a schwa sound. Severe, I think everyone says severe instead of severe. Severe, this E has become a schwa, and complete, again, that O has become a schwa. So that's something to keep in mind. When you have a long vowel in one syllable, often another syllable is affected, and that vowel becomes a schwa. So here are some vowel teams. E-A, least, reason, underneath, defeated, and I forgot to put, I see, a little syllable break right here between defeated, that's a 3-syllable, duh, I can hear the schwa sound there, feet, I hear the long E sound, ed, I hear the short E sound there, defeated. Read, beaver, stream, those are long E sounds spelled E-A. Here are some long E sounds spelled E-E, tree, of course, keep, between, again, here's that long E sound between. Some people say between. I tend to say a schwa sound there, so that E has become a schwa, but we can emphasize it when we're trying to spell it and say, oh, we could say between. Volunteer, long E sound, 18, and knees there. And oh, very unusual one, I wanted to point it out. I don't drink coffee, but lots of people do, and it's one of the few words that is 2 syllables or more that doesn't end in a Y. Oh, I forgot to put the syllable break here. Oh, come back. Uh-oh, where did my, sorry about that little glitch. This is a long E sound, and the syllable break is right here. I did it again. Oh well, the long E sound is spelled double E at the end of coffee. Here are the long E sounds spelled Y at the end of the polysyllabic words. Energy, probably, again, schwa there, elementary, family, baby, sunny, funny, and lucky. Now remember, with the sunny and funny, we have the base word. Maybe I don't have my pen anymore. I think I do. We have the base word sun. Oh, it's not working for some reason. Anyway, you see the base word sun. That's got a short vowel sound, 1 syllable. We're going to double the N before we add that Y that's making a long E sound. Same for funny. We have the base word fun. We're going to double the N and add the Y as a long E sound at the end of the word as our ending, right? Okay, great. And at lucky, of course, we have 2 consonants after our short sound, so we're not going to double anything. So you can see that all of the rules that we've already learned are going to keep coming up again as we learn more and more. Okay, and then we're going to review the N sound at the beginning of a word is sometimes spelled with a silent K and then an N. For example, knees, no, the kind of know, like I know how hard you work. Knew, I knew him back in college, KN. Not, I'm going to tie a knot like this one in the picture. Knock, to knock on the door. And the last one, knapsack, with a KN for knapsack, like you'd wear to school. Okay, let's look at this week's words. I will complete my homework after dinner. First syllable has a schwa spelled with an O. Second syllable is a long E spelled E consonant E. Keep, her neighbor will keep her spare house key. The sound long E is spelled E-E-double-E. Least, I ride my bike to school at least once a week. The long sound E is spelled E-A. Energy, my puppy is a bundle of energy. Sound long E is spelled Y at the end of the word. It's a 3-syllable word. And I want you to just notice the there in the middle. The middle syllable is which is a sight syllable that you know we spell ER most of the time. Between, I can't decide between the green or the blue or the green backpack or knapsack. Sound long E spelled E in the first syllable, or it could be a schwa between, depending on how you say it, and the EE in the second syllable. All right. Reason, she gave the reason for her absence. Long E sound is spelled EA. Oh dear. Why are you not working, little pen? Let's see if I can get that pen to work again. This should be EA. Sorry for that little mistake there. EA. Second syllable is a schwa spelled with an O. Reason. Probably, he probably will do well on the test because he studied hard. I think I forgot to underline probably. Why a second syllable has a schwa, spelled A, probably. Sound long E at the end is, of course, spelled with a Y. Separate the crayons, put them in separate boxes. This is one word that can be pronounced 2 different ways. The second and third syllable have schwas, spelled A, or all the syllables have schwas, depending on which one you're saying. Problem. This problem requires 3 steps. Prob, I hear the short O. Lem, I hear the short E. So that's pretty fun to have a word like that. Problem. Oh, no, I don't. I hear, that's true. Problem. I don't say problem. Maybe you do. Problem has a schwa spelled E. Clapped, the audience clapped wildly after the performance. The base word is clap. We're going to double the P and then add ED. And away, I am going away to summer camp. That first syllable is a schwa spelled with an A, and the second syllable, A, long A sound, is spelled AY. Program, the after-school program is very popular. This was the word I was thinking of with pro, long O, am, short A. Okay, sudden, all of a sudden the rain poured down. You may either play soccer or basketball. Neither, she has neither a pen nor a pencil. And here are your review words for the week. Just a quick overview. Upon, you can hear that schwa in that first syllable up, or actually it's almost like a U anyway. Second, ago, this is a schwa sound for sure. 100, moment, even, chair, afraid, splitting. Here we have, this is our base word. It has a short I sound here, so we're going to double the T before we add ing. The afraid, this is a schwa here, and a schwa here, and a long O here, and a long A spelled AI here. So you can see long, often when we have the long vowel sound in one syllable, we have a schwa in the other one, not always. Area. All right, so let's quickly do a schwa sound. Problem, second syllable spelled E. Problem, right? This time, complete. Where do you hear the schwa sound? Complete. And you hear the long E sound here, so you might realize that the first syllable is the schwa spelled with an O. Dragon. This is a long, by the way, dragon a long time ago used to just mean snake. Second syllable spelled O is the schwa sound. The schwa sound is here. Ooh, that's not very good with these pens, am I? This is a schwa sound here, the O. Defeat. This is a long E sound spelled EA, so you can guess that your schwa is going to be in the first syllable. First syllable is spelled E for defeat. Reason, again, we have a long E sound spelled the EA way that we, sorry about that. Okay, we'll just keep going. Attach, read the syllables. Where's the schwa? First syllable spelled arrive. First syllable spelled A. Elephant. Where's the schwa? Third syllable spelled A. Command. First syllable spelled O. Okay, just remember, read the word, say the syllables to help you spell. Underline any hard parts, cover the word, say and write the word, but mostly spell by syllables. Okay, that is it for today. We're going to start doing just one video on Monday, lesson video, and a test video on Friday. On Wednesday, you'll have just a little activity to do to fill in some words that have the patterns that we're learning this week. So have a lovely week. I will see you again on Thursday for the test. Remember to study your words each day.